Whilst checking your emails, you see an invite to join a Google Meet. And now you start asking yourself, what is Google Meet? Also, you might ask yourself, why did I receive an invite? Google Meet is a video chatting app that lets you virtually connect face to face when you can't meet in person. Some of the reasons you can be invited to join a Google Meet is maybe someone wants to interview you virtually. I'm sure you've seen interviews like this before. Or maybe your family members or friends want to catch up with you. In this video, you learn how to join a meeting, and I'll show you the basics of a video call. Google Meet works very well with most web browsers. In this example, we're using Microsoft Edge browser. You can use a browser of your choice. Once you've logged in using your Google account, this is how your email invite is going to look like. You have the join call. You also have this link down here. You can click on this link. It's going to take you to the call. You can use any of these. When you click there, it's going to open in a window like this. This is going to appear when you haven't allowed your browser to have access to the camera and your microphone. Here you can go with what you want, but most of the times you're just going to allow the microphone and camera because you want to communicate. Here you can just allow. The reason why you'd want to turn off the microphone is to mute yourself when you are not talking in the meeting. Or maybe you have too much noise coming from your background. When you're not comfortable to show your face, you can also just turn off the camera. Others, they keep the microphone on, but turn off the camera. When you are in the video call or when you are not in the video call in the meeting, you can turn these on. You can also turn them off. That's the good thing about Google Meet. When you're done choosing how you want to join your meeting, you can just click on Ask to Join. And so a meeting is going to open like this. The tiles of you and the people you're talking to in your video call. The names of these people you have in your chat are going to be down here. Then here you can see the code that you can use to also invite other people to join. And here you have time down here. If you want to turn your microphone off, you can click on this button. If you want to turn it on, you can also click on it. If you want to change any other settings, or maybe just to see the other types of microphones that are connected to your computer, you can just choose between these two that are here. If you have other options connected, you can also see the microphone options here. Video, you can see the options for video cameras. Here you can turn this on, you can also turn it off. In Google Meet now, you can also turn on captions. When you click on turn on captions here, whatever is being said by someone else in the meeting or in the video call, the text is going to be shown down here. You can also turn this off. Captions have now been turned off. You're going to see this. Then you can also react to what is being said. By clicking here, you can see different reactions. You can like, you can also dislike, you can reply. All these reactions that are on top here can be used in a Google Meet. Then you can also present. You can select, maybe you want to show your desktop. All these things can be seen. Here you can allow other people to see what you have on the desktop. Then here you have this raise hand option. You can raise your hand in your meeting to show that you also want to talk. Maybe someone else is talking, but you also want to be given a chance to talk. You can raise your hand and the name is going to be highlighted with the raise hand icon. You can also turn this off, and also you can also turn these reactions off. Now here you're going to see the more options icon, the three dots. You click on this, it's going to open this pop-up window. Click on the settings. It's going to take you to this window. Here you're going to work with different audio settings and also different video settings depending on how you want your audio to sound like. Here you can test to see if your speakers are working. You can turn this on, you can also turn it off. Right now it's saying microphone is off. That's because we turned it off. It's off. Even here it's also showing we have the microphone off. These settings here are helpful instructions when you can't hear or get what the other person is saying. You can come here and check if the speaker is working. You can also see if everything is working here, the video. You can also see all these other settings here. Get out of this window. Here you also have these other icons down here. These are very helpful. If you want to see more details about the meeting, you can click here and the windows are going to readjust themselves like this. Maybe you want to invite even more people to this call. You can just copy this and share it with people you want to have in your call. Close it to go out of it. Here you can see the number of people you have in your meeting. You can see their names here. If there are more than 10, you're also going to see their names here. Then here you can also send messages to the people who you have in your video call by just typing here the message and press on this send message icon. This is going to be sent to all these people who are in this video call and are going to see it. Then you have these activities. Here you have different features that you can explore, and also we have the host control. This is why you can see the settings or the controls for the host of this call. When you're done with the video call, you want to leave, you can just click on this, and they're going to see this here where they can rate if the video call was good or if it was bad. This is a series of videos about Google Meet. So if this video is helpful, leave a like on this video and share it with other people who it might help. Subscribe for more videos like this. Thank you for watching.